So much money, man, don't know the difference. All of my niggas gon' get it. Tough money, we done get it all with. Never ever do no switching. All these niggas, man, they acting like bitches. I gotta run to the ditch.
This kid is a retard. All of y'all suck. Retards, kill him after die.
Louis, relax.
No, I wanted to stay alive. You did this.
Louis, I'm dead too, bitch. Shut up. You're with me now. Fine. Fuck that,
You
Louis.
freaking run into the bar
He has no
and
code
never picked
anymore.
me up.
And Louis, he was trying to pick you up. That's why he died. Shut the fuck up. We both lost our clout, okay?
Use some headphones.
Louis, listen, Louis. Okay? What the fuck? We don't have
I
anymore.
am. But this shit is not a headphone. This shit. Is this hitting you? That's not hitting you. Is this hitting? Yeah, it is hitting, but this is not hitting.
Take them corners.
Right? Hit that bitch.
This way,
Go kill her, Henry, kill her.
Got him. Let's go.
Oh. Yeah, Mario, go on a little ahead and watch it and try to make the other faggots fight.
Alright, I got this.
They got 6 kills again. You got this, you got this, you got this. It's on your own. Oh, now it's a 1v1.
Go to your side. Go to your side. Come on.
Go under there, go under there, go under there. Go under there!
Come on!
Please. Please make
Mario!
No!
I'ma pull up that Mercy I'ma pull up and she gonna swallow. Bitch, I'm riding with that semi-auto. I just got me a bag on like Bravo. I was broke, now got me a lotto. Roll a dope, going straight to the top though.